Sort values based on current column and default range detection. Sort values by clicking the mouse in the column that needs sorting. Click menu item data, followed by clicking the ZA icon for descending order. I place the cursor in column 3 and click the AZ icon to sort on month name in ascending order. Finally, I place the cursor back in column 1 and click AZ icon to reset the ID in ascending order. Sort values using the Sort dialog box. Sort ID column in descending order using the Sort dialog box. Click Data, followed by Sort. Select ID column from drop-down, then largest to smallest, followed by OK. Next, I'll sort the data back to ascending order using the shortcut keys on my mouse, Alt+A+S+S. Select ID column and smallest to largest followed by OK. Sort using filters in ascending or descending order. Sort in descending order using the filter. I add filters to the sheet by hitting the Ctrl+Shift+L keys, then select the drop-down in the ID column, and select Sort largest to smallest. Sort in ascending order using the filter. Again, I select the drop-down in the ID column, and select Sort smallest to largest. Sort filtered data by fill colors, usually associated with conditional formatting. I'll sort filter by color using the revenue drop-down. I select orange, the color associated with below average. This will bring all orange fill cells to the top of the sheet. Next, I sort the revenue column by the green color using the filter. I select Sort by color from the revenue drop-down, and select green, the color of above average.